Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm back with another video. Today I'm super excited to share this with you. We're going to be talking about the new Getting Festive Qriket Mystery Box. So if you haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscription button and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content, and it'll also give you a heads up for any cool sales or anything related to Cricut that you want to know. And if you haven't yet, check out the links in the description box below. I am an affiliate as well as a Cricut product expert, so that way I can share all the information with you guys and you can go straight to it, including any discounts, coupon codes, things like that. So let's get talking about what's inside the mystery box. So this is something I'm really super excited about, guys. A lot of you guys have been asking about the Cricut Cuties, and you know, getting them is kind of difficult. You never know when you're going to be able to find one. Sometimes they're in some of the larger bundles, sometimes they're in mystery boxes, but today I can tell you there is going to be a Cricut Cutie inside this mystery box. This is the Emerald Cricut Cutie. Isn't he cute? Totally perfect for the holidays too. I love the emerald color, so if you don't have a Cricut Cutie yet and you've been wanting one just to add to your space when you craft, this one is perfect for that. This comes as a bonus inside the mystery box, so really cute, and I'm totally excited to add this one to my little holiday decor here. He fits right in, right? Let's talk about what's inside the Cricut mystery box, and there's a ton to go through. So the theme of this box is getting festive, and what does that mean? That usually means creating home decor, that means creating gifts, that means, you know, personalizing your home for the holidays, personalizing things for people that you love, maybe for yourself, maybe some cute t-shirts. This box definitely answers that, as well as some things that I've heard before from our members, which are people are looking for iron-on in, you know, the mystery boxes. So this box definitely has you covered on iron-on. Let's start with that. Let's start with the Strong Bond. This is the glitter iron-on mesh. If you guys have not tried glitter iron-on yet, you definitely should. I think this is a perfect accent, especially for Dollar Tree items. You can take the stockings, add something cute to them. The makeup cosmetic bags are perfect for something like this. You can add little accents to pillows, anything that's fabric that you want to add a little bit of sparkle to, this is perfect for. And you can get a roll of this in the color red. By the way, guys, this mystery box is $150+ of materials for only $49.99. So I think that's a really cool deal. So this one comes in the color red, so perfect for the holidays. We'll get going on some other colors that are in the box as well. Let's talk a little bit more about some more iron-on. This one is the Everyday Iron-On in Mosaic, and this is the Elegance Sampler. So if you're worried about, do I have enough materials in different colors, this is a great answer to that, because this is basic colors that you would use year-round as well. So this one you can get red, you also get white, and you also get black with this one. So you could totally make holiday crafts with it and things that are personalized, but you can use this year-round too. So with iron-on, this is perfect for t-shirts and anything that you want to kind of upgrade and make fun. If you guys want to see some projects using these, leave a comment below and let me know, and I will make projects specific to this box to show you. And let's talk a little bit more about some more projects that you can do. This one is the Glitter Iron-On Mesh in the Jubilee sampler. So the Jubilee sampler is really pretty. Specifically, there's some colors in here that I think are my favorites, which are there's the red sparkle, but there's also this kind of multi silver color in here, and it's got little flecks of different colors. So it's really pretty. That's my favorite glitter iron-on color. And there's also this really pretty pink color as well. So if you're personalizing items for children, that would be a really great one too, because there's a little bit more variety in that. So you get the Jubilee sampler as well. And in case you think that it's only red in this box, there's also green. This one is the Cricut Premium Vinyl in the Holographic Art Deco. This is in the color Lemongrass, and it's a permanent vinyl, so you can use this on mugs and tumblers. You can use this to add some accents to your home decor. You could make car decals with it. You know, it's pretty much endless. There's a lot of possibilities that you can use permanent vinyl for, but the neat thing is this you could totally use for personalizing something something like a Dollar Tree gift basket, you know, those little plastic tubs, and you could add a cute little personalization on maybe a red basket with the green, add some cute Dollar Tree supplies, and you have a ready to go gift. So I love this lemongrass one specifically because it has the little circles on it, so it's really pretty, kind of a 3D effect on that one. Also, you'll get the permanent glossy vinyl. This is the premium vinyl in the basic sampler. So it looks like just a cream color on the outside, but inside you're gonna find 6 different colors in here. There's the cream, the black, white, brown, silver, and gold as well. So there's a huge amount of variety in this one, and because it's impermanent, you can have a lot of uses for it. This is also nice if you're doing, you know, Christmas ornaments, that type of thing. You can take the permanent vinyls and start using those for holiday decor and presents, and because this is a nice basic sampler, it will go with all of the other colors that are included in here. And there's also a permanent glossy premium vinyl. This is the forest green color, really beautiful. I love this color specifically for the holidays. I have just picked up some to use for Christmas crafts and especially for ornaments. So this is another great one. And there's also the permanent glossy premium vinyl. This one is in the red holographic, and the red holographic is so pretty because it has these little tiny flecks throughout it, so it really reflects light, but it's not, you know, overly too much. It's just the right amount of sparkle. So take this and something like this, and you could totally make a cute custom, you know, tumbler or something like that. Take a Dollar Tree metal tumbler and then use those, or even use these two together. So pretty for that. And you could even use the basics one as well. So all of these kind of coordinate together for projects that would work really well. Also, you'll get the removable premium vinyl in the 3D texture. This is nice because this is a sampler and it has 3 different colors. This one is the black, the silver, and the gold. So because of this, you'll get a ton of uses out of it, and it has a really pretty kind of slight metallic look almost to it. When you see it, because of the little squares that are on it, it reflects light really well. So this is neat just to add a little subtle something to your projects. I can see some really cute Christmas ornaments with that too. And that's not all. So you also get, this is the Everyday Iron-On All Occasion Value Pack. I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So we've already talked about how iron-on vinyl is the big thing. Everybody wants iron-on vinyl in these boxes. This is also iron-on vinyl in the most common colors that you will use when you're crafting. So there are 3 sheets of this really pretty gold. And these are the 12 by 12 sheets, so they're really easy. You just pop them on your mat. You don't have to worry about cutting. You also get 3 sheets of silver. And you get 3 sheets of white. This bright and really pretty pure white is such a great accent for the colors like red and green specifically, and all the metallics. And you also get 3 sheets of black too. So imagine you're doing projects with t-shirts, with iron-on, with stockings, pillows, any type of home decor, or you're making gifts and you're not, you know, you need a bunch of supplies. This is such a great way to do it because you get 1, 2, 3. So you get basically 3 different rolls of iron-on vinyl, and then on top of it you get a whole sampler pack of all the colors that you would want to coordinate with that one. So that's a huge amount right there. And then you get all of this permanent vinyl in a basics, 2 different colors of green, and a really pretty nice vibrant red. And then you get a removable one just to try out something different in a nice basic. So there's just a ton of stuff that comes with it, and I just love the idea of having the little Cricut cutie too with you. So if you haven't yet and you want to learn more about the Cricut mystery boxes, check out the links in the description box. They are affiliate links, but they will help you to go check out the page, and that way you can shop. If you are a Cricut Access member, you have a regular Cricut Access membership, you'll save 10% off on the cost of the box. If you're a premium member, you save 20% off on the cost of the box, and it's already an amazing deal. So there are no coupon codes for this box because this box is such a great value. So you're getting, you're spending $49.99 for a ton of different things that you can get with this, and it's over $150 worth of value. So I think that's really awesome. And just keep checking on the website. It will be live anytime tomorrow. I can't say when, don't know exactly myself. So just keep an eye out and be ready for it. It's totally worth the money, and this is a great way to stock up on stuff. So remember, if you guys want to see any projects with this, leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll definitely get a video up for you guys soon. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.